Eric, how are you?
Good, Kevin.
So this is our little bathroom in here. What are we working with?
Well, today we're working with a marble mosaic.
Can I see that? Marble. So are both of these light and dark marble?
Yep, the white is the honed, the gray is the polished.
Let me see if I can pick that up in the window reflection. Oh yeah, so the gray reflects and the white is pretty flat. That's the honed. All right. And check that out. So this is on a little bit of a mesh backer.
Exactly.
So there's a whole bunch of little pieces?
Yep, a whole bunch of pieces made into one 10 by 10 square.
Cool design with this and that sticking out. All right.
Yep.
So how are you thinking about layout? Walk me through that process, please.
Well, Kevin, when we start a layout, most important thing is, the focal point, big pieces, when you come in this door.
So this right here, threshold, this is the first thing people are going to see.
Exactly, that's where your eye's going to go to. Follow along the wall here.
Another important place.
Yep, and right up to the tub.
And then I presume you're less concerned about this side just with all the other things going on?
Yeah, a little less concerned. We have the vanity. We have a toilet. It's going to eat up a little bit of room.
Okay.
But still at the same time, we'll be symmetrical, left to right, front to back.
Right. And you get that symmetry by picking your center lines, which are already drawn on the floor.
Yep.
So with big pieces, your point is you don't want a little sliver of a piece like right there, because we'll see it.
All about that appearance.
All right, so what are you thinking for layout?
Okay, so here we have our crosshairs, we have our center lines. And we're gonna lay it out a few different ways. Here we'll start on both sides of the line. Again, front to back, left to right.
Got it.
And we'll check to see what the piece is.
This is the thing that I think most people don't appreciate of what you guys do. Everyone thinks that you're just cutting tile and putting it down with your grout lines, with your thin set. It's a lot of layouts, a lot of thinking.
A little bit to it. So again, back to left to right, what we have is, that's a big piece.
You like that?
Yes. Yeah. So we're starting with a 10 by 10 square, Kevin. So right there,
you'll have almost
8 3/4 piece.
Nice.
I'll take it.
Okay, so that's a good line going this way. And if we continue towards the tub?
Yep. And if we go towards the tub.
There's another one for you. 2 full pieces. This would be your 3rd full piece. Uh-oh.
Not too crazy about it.
So you'll have a little tiny stub. Give me that again. How many inches was that?
We've got about 2 3/4 inches.
So what do you do in that situation? You blow up this?
Well, this is where we'll make an adjustment and see what we end up with. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move these. I'm going to split this center line.
Okay.
The front to back center line. We're going to stay where we are, left to right.
We know this one works.
We know that one works.
I'm just going to stick this back in there for us. So we basically have adjusted half a tile. Our little 2 3/4 inch stub piece is going to be what now with your tape?
Looking a lot better.
So 8.
Almost 8 inches.
Okay.
So with that 8-inch piece there up against the tub, we'll have the 8-inch piece in front of the door. Exactly what we're looking for.
Beautiful. Okay. What next?
So we'll start cutting these pieces along the wall. We'll cut one now, see how it fits, and then we'll take it from there. Dad, 8 3/4.
Okay.
We'll give that a look, Mark. See how you did.
I think that's the one.
Okay.
Put a couple pieces down. 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch notch trowel. A little back butter.
No spacers for your separation there? You're just going to eyeball that?
Nope, we're going to do it by eye.
So when you're working with a mosaic tile like this, pretty complicated on the mesh, more so than a single tile. Harder, easier, more time consuming or what?
Definitely time consuming. Being a mosaic, we have 30-something pieces that make up a 10 by 10. So compare that to maybe just a regular ceramic.
Yeah. Good thing for homeowners to know too, when they pick a tile like this, it's gonna take longer.
Yeah, you're gonna take a little bit of time.
Yep, you pay for it two ways.
Biggest thing is just take your time, have some patience.
And then after this, what do you gotta do? Let it set up?
Yep, we'll let it set up for the day, and then we'll come back the following day and get it grouted.
Nice. Mark,
Kevin,
what do you think? How'd your son do?
looks great.
It does, doesn't it?
Yes, it does.
I like the tile, I like the design, and you definitely figured out the edges all right. Nice job, guys.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.